break it to him. He was like, no! Hey! My mom wasn't next to me about the hair. She literally just say no.
Oh, did I tell y'all? I dropped my phone in a bowl of milk last night. So now the side is stuck. Oh my gosh.
What's the You're not going to get Bailey in it. Come on, girl. I'm busy getting your bag over here.
I'm busy.
I like his music.
You look like guys. Welcome back.
Bailey.
Addy ready.
Hattie Ratties. Hattie Ratties. I need to pamper myself with Bailey stuff. Pamper? That's a Wait.
Welcome back.
We have to cue the intro video. Cue the intro. No, Bailey, yeah.
This is how you always do it.
Lead over.
This is how you do it.
This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Boom.
Welcome back to the
Boom.
I got billions and lonely. Please come home. I got billions and lonely. I got
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, whole dog. I got beans, greens, potatoes.
the lunch couture.
I need a pamper. First size done.
I know. Oh, here it is. Ooh, next to my stomach. That is gross. This is my mom's. Sorry, because I'm like, I'm half of all that. Unless my dad wants that.
I don't know. Hunting.
She's Great Britain.
Sabrina?
Her weird.
So it's what is Sabrina Hunt?
Her age, like, he's like 3 years older than her.
How'd you get people for that?
He's Uncle Joy, and he's like,
I want to go.
I
want to go hunting.
Addie, you would not be good at hunting.
smoking.
I do one.
My mom's grandpa, so his dad,
Don't try that at home.
40, over 40.
Not be a little country girl. Put a little cowboy hat on Bailey.
Lives in a trailer.
Oh, that hat.
Oh, that hat.
Oh, that hat.
She's like, I don't think that. I don't think that.
You look.
Okay. Well,
Give me my food, that's all I have.
Maybe my house was great.
She is.
How?
Because she married
I'm a child.
AirPods.
I'm a child of divorce. My parents hate each other.
My mom.
like, oh, that's like her.
Hi, don't be his mom.
Because she
Bye.
Bailey, get your head in the front.
What is everything?
I need to grow my hair out.
Yeah.
You, Snow White, or Laura, or some
You
movie.
look adorable.
We would watch it in our car. We had these little tiny TVs down.
Don't tell your mom. Shut up.
Sophia's mom, she's bullying me. Ah. Try not to laugh, guys. Try not to laugh.
You have to stare at each other, you can't smile or laugh.
I'm not even. Any day now.
Yeah, come on. I'm ready. I can't. If I turn over, I'm going to smile. Okay. I can't look at y'all. That's the problem.
The reaction is so real.
Just even looking at you in the camera.
She could do it for you. She did it before break.
We're cleaning out of you. I actually cannot do that without crying. I can tell. You need to get into my eyes. That's what I thought you were going to say.
365 letters. That's good. Oh. You alright?
Hello.
I don't like that. Edit that out.
No. What are you on? Yours is fatter than mine.
You body shaming my water bottles?
Yeah, mine's pretty skinny. This is 24.
They just shave my mouth of ounces.
No.
I drink more water than you.
And that's why it's fat. It's okay. He's trying to taste so
Sticking out in the One day we just need to bring like a whole chicken.
Last day of school, here we
We'll
go.
eat it.
No, day before spring break.
When is spring break?
Expect the whole chicken.
Rotisserie chicken. I need to put that Shrek thing up here.
Water for me, sir.
What?
Oh my god. Is it in the video? Karma is a guy on that shit.
It's like a seatbelt.
And Kaylee's like, she understands like that. She does like no like saying it and she like gets it just like
Peace out.
Again.